Hey Dana, and welcome to my vlog. This is around the house. And yes, I'm eating a Magnum ice cream. And it's bird season again. So my wife has decided to take on a family project and make a bird feeder. So I am catching her about halfway through her little project here, and there is the middle part of a bird feeder. Let's see, it's been working on for about a week now. I will grab this and we'll hold this in. You got that level now? Squared? You want it?
I did have.
Okay. I got it tight. It's a screw gun.
I told you I don't like to be on your stuff.
I know, but this is great. Very good.
Don't bite me.
One end. We're definitely a project family. We always have something going on.
See? Told you don't
Oh,
say.
oh! She lost her screw.
Told you last time.
Oh. Sometimes the magnetic portion of the...
Is it tight? Are you... Cause
I got it tight,
you.
yep. Oh! You screwed my finger! Ow! 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 Ow!
Screw your finger.
Oh!
See? Tell me it stays right on the end, dear.
Well, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Sometimes it do, sometimes it don't.
No. Now, this is used inch and a...
Hold it tight.
Got it.
You sure?
I'm sure.
If it's wrong, I'm going to be really mad.
She is too much of a perfectionist here. Now, this is the mesh they use to was embroidery mesh, and she's using that as a base. So the only thing that'll stay in here will be the seed. She's making a double wall here, and this is 1.5 inches by inch thick.
Kick your ass.
I cut that perfect.
I'll kick your ass.
I cut that perfect.
I'm going to kick your ass. I'm going to kick your ass. Oh, I'm going to kick your ass.
Oh, nice. Tight fit, huh? Woo! I'm not sure what the lengths she decided to use. What were the lengths? I can't remember.
Doesn't matter what the lengths were I decided to use. It matters what the guy who cut it did. Not being you. You're not the guy who cut it. You're the guy who fixed it.
Okay. And do we have another one?
I have 4 more
Okay,
and 4 more.
Because this is not the one that fits here.
That's the one that fits there. Remember I told you... Are you eating my mini?
No, I'm not. I'm eating my Magnum. I'm eating my Magnum.
Okay, well, say that better not be mine.
We got the minis. I got the Magnum.
No, see, because when I took it and had it cut, don't ever get your wood cut at Lowe's. When I took it and got it cut, they cut it wrong. This side is about 1/16 of an inch too long, and this side is about 1/16 of an inch too short.
Yeah, I'm going to call it.
So,
I thought I corrected it.
there isn't anything that you can do other than just say, well, good thing that the birds don't care. Because you didn't correct this. You corrected those. We'll see how well you did on those.
Oh, okay. I know I corrected something.
This should be plenty tight without you doing anything because I had to force it in, remember?
using little 1/2-inch screws, wood screws, and L brackets. That'll
I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm gonna kick your ass.
I have, and you pushed. Okay, you do the top now. Do the top one.
I'm gonna do the top one.
Okay.
Move your hand. Dude. Good thing the birds don't care.
Now.
Don't tell me now. Pay attention to what you're supposed to be
I
doing.
was holding it. You
Pay attention to what you're supposed to be doing.
Straight down, not an angle.
Straight down?
That would be straight in. I got it.
Tight.
I got it.
Tight.
I got it tight. Screw push down. There you go.
Dude, I'm going to tell you right now. You ain't done nothing to do with doing this other than straighten up that piece of wood. So don't tell me how to do it.
I'm telling you, move.
This is all my baby, not yours.
There you go. You got it. Go for it. I love you. Very done. Very good. I'll just leave it straight up now.
Leave it.
Rub it down. What's enough? Close enough?
See?
Hey!
Now why are you touching my stuff?
Down.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay,
just mind your business
go
right there.
Go for it. What is that done?
Is that a knot?
No, it's not a knot.
Here, let's try this over here.
Okay?
I don't know if I'm in it. Oh, yeah, I'm in it.
Go.
Lost my screw. Oh, shit, man. Where'd my screw go? My dogs. Come on, guys, move it.
Then go. Then go.
Hey, why are you messing with my shit?
Do the top one. one again.
Why are you messing with me?
Because I know how you're doing it.
You know what? Just because.
Here. Let me get around
Just.
you. Let me get behind you
Just
like this.
because.
Let me get behind you like this.
Just because.
Yeah, let's go like this. I got it now.
Just because you want to do part of it now.
I got it.
After I've been doing this all by myself. Now you want to make it look like you're doing it.
I'm not doing it. I'm helping you.
Look at it. Won't stay.
Put it in the hole. Trying to make this a family video.
I'll give you a family video.
Family video.
Come on, get in the hole.
I got it somewhere. Squeeze.
Don't make me
Laugh.
get perverted.
Squeeze.
It doesn't want to go in straight.
Okay, let's do the other one now. On this side.
You're bothering me. God, dude. There's not enough room for you to do this. Christ.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. I could give you all kinds of little vices out there to hold us together. Beautiful. Okay.
Wish you would. That one's still crooked. What did you do to me?
I don't know what you do.
Let me see it. Can I see it?
It's solid. Huh.
Give me my shit.
Why is it without? Flush. Oh. Alright. Go from there. Alright, well. Nice for letting us visit you, dear. Mm-hmm. We will be back on the next evolution.
No,
Beautiful.
you're not welcome.
Takes that one. And one more screw. And then your base will be done.
The base is going to be done in a minute. I don't like this corner. Oh, wait. Maybe I can like this. Oh, that ain't going either. Go like that. Nope.
You always better go up,
a different screwdriver.
go down in. Maybe off a little bit because it's already got.
Right.
Okay. All right. Those ones you bought, or those ones that I bought?
The ones you bought.
What I bought? Oh, these are the other ones from Walmart. Now, I suggest we figure out where to put it and then put small little holes in it first, smaller than the diameter of the screw. Stay tuned. And put them. The reason for that is
suggest
to
you
make
be quiet.
sure that the wood does not split when you put these in, because these are really thick. Okay, so that's the reason why you do what's called a pilot hole. So we will do a pilot hole as soon as I get a screw or get a drill bit.